Blockchain technology is a digital ledger system that operates on a decentralized network of computers. It records transactions in a way that prevents any alterations once data has been added, making it highly secure. Here are some distinctive features of blockchain. 1. Decentralized structure. Unlike traditional systems where a single entity manages the ledger, like a bank or corporation, blockchain operates across a network of nodes, each holding a copy of the entire ledger. This decentralization increases reliability and resistance to attacks or failures. 2. Transparency and permanence. Transactions on the blockchain are virtually immutable, meaning they cannot be altered after being recorded. This characteristic enhances the trustworthiness of the data and helps in combating fraud. Many blockchains are open to the public, allowing anyone to review the transaction history. 3. Consensus protocols. Blockchains use various methods to achieve agreement on the state of the ledger. Common consensus protocols include proof of work, used by Bitcoin, and proof of stake. These methods ensure that all participants in the network agree on the validity of transactions. 4. Smart contracts. These are automated agreements written in code that execute themselves when specific conditions are met. Smart contracts eliminate the need for intermediaries by directly enforcing the terms of an agreement. 5. Diverse uses beyond cryptocurrency. Although blockchain is often associated with digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, its potential extends to various fields such as supply chain management, voting systems, and identity verification. In essence, blockchain technology offers enhanced transparency, cost savings, and security across numerous applications.